Okay, this is, there's a walkway that usually goes down about 5 feet. It goes around the lake, and our house is right there. And the storm that just blew through caused the lake to rise. I've never seen it this high before. But we were worried about flooding, and we wanted to see where the rain, if it would go anywhere. And this is the road. So the lake overflows onto the road. And that is really good news. Otherwise, it'd flow into the house. So, this is a hell of a lot of water. And part 2 of the storm is coming our way. There's Sean's car up ahead. And this flooding goes well beyond where Sean's car is right now. See ya.